Through lo storyan blo island where you been got sometimes blo you talk around lo kata ting motu lo documentary where me come out lo how onar la villages around lo evate especially kata lo narasite motu all communities around lo eretap how all atap with them all changes where me stop all live la farming techniques where me start. I think say mi kutumas mi want something where mi mas karen mi kami inside pagan lo community lo help them life lo all people inside lo community for mi save development blo mi kerap mi mas abena inside lo ground. So also my secretary mo to president lo inside lo this community mi start confirm mo talamat semi katon small place blo located blo project mi save kerap lem small place mi blo mi save all people save come together all save capture mo mi also one place blo mi give him out awareness igolo narpla people lo all new la farming techniques lo help them all katal em mo to mi want something where mi start ask him strong support lo katal agriculture mo to lo climate change blo save coming to blo save assist all people inside the community lo through the workshop mo awareness lo save give him out information igolo kata lo help him lo kata lo time when Mr. Kam
mi lo workshop ya sem emilane mi fala se mi mas work together mi mas megem look out em good crown blo yumi sabe planem kakai blo yumi blo help em life blo yumi mo all pingini blo yumi lo future wo mbay mi kam
plante mi play salam crown bel small crown wo mi play cat mi play say make use hem the one wo mi play bin look lo kata lo sample lo kata lo andap lo teuma fil limegem small crown be hem in a west mi play say doing something hem la mol plan be mi play hem